Hello everyone, welcome to the Truck Driver Guy, and in this video guys I will tell you why you are still broke as a truck driver even after working for so many years. You are broke, you have no money, you are in trouble, in financial trouble, why your credit score is bad. Let's start. Again, it's not for everyone, but majority of truck drivers, they are in this situation. So let's start from number one. It's kind of obvious, but because lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge, this is your major problem, and because you don't have right knowledge, well, obviously you're watching this video, and thank you. By the way, please subscribe to my channel, comment. I know you don't like to press likes, I know you don't like to comment, but guys, I'm giving you this information, I'm thinking about it, I'm praying about it, I'm literally helping you guys out. So it's not hard to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment for me, maybe give me some thanks, because below the video you can now support creators, you can now support me, and ask me any question you like about trucking, and there is an amount that you can basically like donate for the creators now. Again, below the video it's like a love button, it's like a heart you can press, and you can it's up to you if you want to do it or not, but it will support me as a creator as well. So number one is lack of knowledge. Number two, no discipline in physical, mental, and spiritual life. Because no discipline, you are paying one way or another. Let's say you have a bad food choices, right? You eat bad food, you don't do research about what you eat. Sooner or later you will give all your money to the hospitals. Doctors will take everything away. So number two, no discipline in physical, mental, and spiritual life. Number three, guys, is gambling in casinos. I hope, I don't know exactly statistics about casinos, but now within the last like 10 years, maybe 8 years, they opened so many casinos all over United States that is insane. A lot of people now go to casinos instead of church. Basically casino, it's basically a new church nowadays. Like, people stopped going to church and they are going in casinos, and a lot of times people said, oh, I'm not gonna give tithes to the church because blah blah, but now they give everything to casinos, like literally, not 10%. A lot of truck drivers, and not just truck drivers, general public in general, they give everything to the casinos. They literally go out broke. They sell their houses and they lose it in casinos. It's terrible. So one of the reasons why you're still broke as a truck driver, because you're gambling in casinos. Number four, not being a part of the club, community, or some kind of organization that will help you with knowledge, with different guidance, with different will lift you up. That's the biggest problem in trucking community. Because of this, you are in financial problem. I would say number five, because of the drugs, prostitution, and alcoholic addiction. By having I wanna kind of add something why people doing it, because of the lack of knowledge. Like I said, number one, lack of knowledge. People are often overworking themselves to the point where they cannot physically perform, and they start doing drugs, some alcoholic addiction, because of the stress, because they are tired, they cannot sleep, they want to sleep, they drink alcohol, they take special pills, to fall asleep, and they become addicted to drugs, then of course prostitutes and alcoholic addiction. That's why you have no money. That's why your financial life is destroyed because of it. Number 6, buying an old truck or buying a semi truck. Like, let's say somebody want to become an owner operator, and they buy an old truck, or it can be like a newer truck but with 1,000,000 miles, and they're paying too much money for the truck, and they're not doing the research what's gonna happen with the truck. So they ended up spending so much money on the repairs and everything, that whatever they make, they give for the repairs, and it's terrible. It's very bad. It's very bad. So that's another reason why. Truck drivers, a lot of truck drivers, they have financial problems and are broke. Number 7, guys. Number 7. A lot of truck drivers, they wanna do everything alone. Oh, I can do it alone. I don't need your help. I don't need that help. I'm gonna do it alone. So everything that they do, like let's say their truck payment, insurance payment, all their payments is like, let's say $8,000 a month, right? Sooner or later, they will break down. Like, you cannot work for 5 years without vacations. You cannot be on the road for 5 years without vacations, without some kind of breaks. So by overworking so much, they go into that different addictions, stress, many things. But if you would have, let's say, a team partner, or few other partners, that, let's say, you say, you know what, I want to take 3 months vacation. Oh, no problem, bro, go ahead, I will do it also. And while you're on vacation, your other partner actually helping you out, and you guys are making money together. Of course, you have to be wise how to set everything up correctly, but that way you will not burn yourself out. You will not you will not overwork yourself to death. You will not have a heart attack like a lot of truck drivers. They work so much, they eat poorly, they eat terrible fast food with a lot of oil and just terrible food choices. They have a heart attack while they're driving, or while they're sleeping. It's terrible, guys. So even you hate it, even you don't want to hear this, but you have to have a partner that will help you. You can hate it all you want. If you're gonna do everything alone, sooner or later you will overwork yourself to the situation where it can be crucial for your life. Be wise about it, pray about it, use your wisdom. Number 1, increase your knowledge. Number 8, guys. Number 8. Working for a terrible company that cheat and rip you off. Unfortunately, even though I know quite a good amount of companies, some of them are unfortunately cheating their drivers, their owner operators. They are, let's say, load pays $10,000, they only give you 7. Be like, oh bro, sorry, it's only pay 7. And most of the truck drivers, they will never find out, because broker will never say for the truck driver how much the load really pays. So by working for a bad company that cheats, you also, that's another reason why you are broke. Number nine, because of the pressure, because of the situations in life, you give up and you said, you know what, I don't care about nothing, I don't care about life, I don't care about family, I don't care about nobody. So one of the biggest reasons why you are broke, because you give up in life. That's why you're broke, because you give up in life. Number 10, Unfortunately, it's very painful for me to say, but because of the divorce rate, because of the not having a support from your loved one, from your, let's say, from your wife or from your husband, this is why a lot of people, a lot of truck drivers also have a stress, so much stress that they're doing. A lot of truck drivers, they have so much stress, they go into casinos to kind of like get the stress out from their life, you know, like, oh, I'll forget about these problems, and they play, they kind of, their hormones go up, they're happy, they're playing, oh, I'm winning, so that's kind of like covers their other problems. But because of that they're losing all their money in casinos. It's like a curse. It's like a curse. Drugs, prostitution, alcoholic addiction. Unfortunately, guys, this also can be one of your problems why you are broke, because no support from your family, from your wife. It's, unfortunately, I had to say that. Number 11, you're not having a YouTube channel or Amazon store, or you're not doing something that will give you residual income as a human being. You're just basically, you not increasing your income from your money that hopefully you have some money saved up. Again, a lot of truck drivers, they're totally broke, zero. Most of them are in debt, just making payments for the banks, credit cards, zero money. Like, they cannot even have $5,000 in savings. It's literally, they're totally broke. But that's another reason why you are totally broke. It's because you don't have YouTube account that will give you extra revenue. You don't have Amazon store that will give you extra revenue. Like I told you guys, one of my friends, he's managing an Amazon. Like, you can say, oh, you know, I don't have time for Amazon. You don't need time. A lot of people, they have other people who do everything for them. They will design the product, they will do everything for them. Like I said, one of my friends, he's doing that. He's managing stores for somebody else. He's making, you know, those people, all they do, they invest money. He's creating the product, he's doing everything. They're making $40,000. Like, I literally seen it with my own eyes. $40,000 in one day. In not 1 year, not 6 years, not 6 months, not 1 month, in one day. $40,000. And another one, it's, guys, I will basically make this video short. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment. If you want to add something, comment, guys. It's not gonna hurt you if you're gonna comment on my channel. It will also help me out. Please comment. Whatever questions about trucking you got, feel free to share, comment. That's another reason why you are broke or have no money, because you don't know, you don't have knowledge how to invest and multiply your money. That's very, like, we're living in a capitalist economy where a lot of things, a lot of people, they made a one-time investment, and now they're basically have much easier life because they invested their money once right. So seek the knowledge, multiply your knowledge. Whatever I said, guys, I didn't say it just because out of the blue. I literally seen a lot of stuff because I'm a truck driver for many years. Over 10 years I'm driving the semi trucks. Guys, you need to be wise, increase your knowledge, multiply your knowledge. If you have any questions, comment below the video. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I'm here, guys, and thanks God for everything. Keep on trucking. God bless you guys. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and God bless you guys. All the best. I really wish you to you know, to increase your financial, spiritual, physical situation, and so you guys can also prosper in life. God bless, guys. Bye.